What if I told you one stock that shocked Wall Street once could be preparing for another massive comeback? I'm talking about supermicrocomputer, SMCI. Some investors believe it could reach $100 again. Others think those days are gone forever. So, who's right? Stay until the end because I'll share the one factor that completely changed my opinion. And most people aren't even talking about it. Well, welcome back everyone. If you're new here, I make simple stock analysis videos that help you understand what's really happening behind the headlines. If that's something you enjoy, subscribe now because you don't want to miss the next opportunity. Now let's begin. Well, SMCI isn't just another tech company. It builds the servers that power artificial intelligence. Whenever companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, or other cloud giants expand their AI infrastructure, someone has to supply the hardware. That's where SMCI comes in. And that's exactly why investors became so excited about this stock. But then, everything changed. The stock experienced a huge correction. Many investors sold in panic. Some even said the AI story was over. But was it really? Or was this simply a healthy reset before the next move? That's the question nobody can answer with certainty. Well, here's what caught my attention. AI spending hasn't disappeared. In fact, many of the world's biggest technology companies continue investing billions into AI infrastructure. That means demand for powerful servers is still very much alive. If that demand continues, SMCI could continue growing as well. But here's where it gets interesting. A great industry doesn't automatically create a great investment. Execution matters. Management has to deliver. Revenue has to grow. Profits have to improve. Otherwise, the market won't reward the company. And that's exactly why the next earnings reports could change everything. Most investors only look at today's stock price. Smart investors look at tomorrow's business performance. That's a huge difference. Now, before I tell you whether I personally think $100 is realistic, there's one risk that almost nobody on YouTube is discussing. And honestly, ignoring this risk could be a costly mistake. Here it is. Competition. The AI market is growing fast, but SMCI isn't the only company trying to benefit. Large competitors are investing heavily. If competitors take market share, or if customers slow their AI spending, SMCI's growth could slow much faster than investors expect. That's why buying any growth stock always involves risk. Now let's answer the question everyone came for. Can SMCI reach $100 again? In my opinion, yes. I believe it's possible, but only if several things happen together. Number one, AI infrastructure spending stays strong. Number two, SMCI continues delivering strong revenue growth. Number three, profit margins improve. Number four, management executes consistently quarter after quarter. If all of those pieces come together, I believe a return to $100 becomes a realistic long-term possibility. Will it happen next week? Probably not. Next month? Nobody knows. But over the long term, I wouldn't rule it out. That's my opinion based on the business, not emotion. Because in the stock market, price eventually follows business performance, not social media hype. Now here's the twist. Imagine AI demand grows even faster than Wall Street expects. Imagine companies keep building massive AI data centers for years instead of months. If that happens, many analysts may need to raise their expectations again. And that could completely change how investors value SMCI. That's exactly why I'm watching every earnings report so closely. Those numbers will tell us whether the comeback story is real or just another market dream. Now I want to hear from you. Do you believe SMCI reaches $100 again? If yes, what's your target price? 80, 100, 150? Or do you think it's already over? Write your prediction in the comments. I read as many comments as possible because I enjoy seeing different opinions from investors around the world. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll keep bringing you honest stock analysis without unnecessary hype. Thanks for watching.